Hi, everybody. Sunday night, coming up on 7:30. Well, you can see the radar and the monitor behind me. And if you look at the screen here, you can see the rain has moved up into Salem, through Portland, up into Skamania County. It's been raining for a number of hours along the coast, and there are some heavier rain pockets embedded where you see the yellow tones, especially up near Centralia. But so far, Vancouver, Portland, Salem, has been mostly light rain, but the front is easing through. We'll see rain rates pick up a little bit in the coming hours, but this is not a strong system. We kind of waited all day for it. Weather models say that we could get up to a quarter of an inch of rain through tomorrow morning, not expecting to get more than that, and not really looking for much wind. I'll show you the wind in a moment, but even at the coast right now, it's not very windy, just a little push of some moisture coming in. I want to scroll down and show you a couple of things on the satellite picture. Right here on the bottom right, you can see the cold front that is just now starting to push in. You see there's a little secondary front back here that quickly kind of merges into this thing overnight tonight, actually. Not really expecting much rain around here tomorrow. There's no lightning. Notice on the right, no lightning with any of this. There were some strikes earlier, but nothing showing up right now. Again, here's the frontal band on the rain moving on shore, the trailing upper level low back here. This is the stronger low where you see all the lightning, all the X's. That's that system that's going to quickly move in. This trough from this low is going to broaden as this low shoots in. And this will be the low that parks off of basically the California Bay Area for a good chunk of this upcoming week. That low will nestle up into California as soon as tomorrow overnight into Tuesday morning. Now, it looks like the flow patterns are going to split, and we're not going to see much rain this upcoming week while California sees days and days of at least some decent rainfall. So that's kind of the latest explanation on what's going on. Let's go ahead and take a look at the, pardon me, at the rain. So this basically is the blended model from the Weather Service. I'm going to toggle it forward. It's pretty much like looking at the futurecast that we show you on TV. So here we are this evening. We know this is correct. Solid rain up and down. So let's go ahead and play this into tomorrow morning. Let me back it up a little bit. Here's tomorrow morning. We wake up. We're on the back edge of this frontal boundary. And as I move it forward, there's not much more out there. Here's like midday, Monday. So if the timing continues, once we get to the 7 o'clock hour tomorrow, the rain pretty much is over. And while I am going to carry a scattered shower chance in the forecast during the day tomorrow, I'll go ahead and play this into the early evening hours. You see there's just not much out there. And Tuesday looks to be dry. I do want to notice that as we go into Tuesday, not really looking for much of anything where we are, but here's that system now producing rain in Northern California, Southern Oregon. So if you are traveling Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even into Friday of this week, by the time you get down in the southwestern corner of Oregon and into Northern California, that's where you will find the rain. I don't believe, I need to double check this, but I don't believe this is going to be a snowmaker for the Siskiyou Summit. I believe it's going to be too warm, and that's going to be, for the most part, rain. But make sure you check conditions if you go into California later this week, realizing that's where that low is and that's where the active weather is going to be. Speaking of snow levels, here at home, here we are, 36 degrees at Timberline right now, 41 at Mount Hood Meadows. I don't think that ski bowl temperature is correct because look at Government Camp, 42 degrees. So the passes, let's see, there's Santiam at 40. There's Willamette Pass at 39. They're all in pretty good shape. And if I scroll down here and show you the temperature forecast, near freezing tonight. The snow level 5,000 feet right now, even maybe 5,500 feet, will come down behind that front to about 4,000 feet by morning. But by the time the snow level gets down to 4,000 feet, the moisture is going to be broken up and very limited as it moves eastward of the Cascades. Still, check mountain passes if you're going to travel into the Cascades early tomorrow morning. It's at least possible. There's a little bit of light accumulation, especially over Santiam and Willamette Pass. Maybe Government Camp, although I think odds favor Government Camp just being wet. High temperature there tomorrow at pass level 43, Tuesday 45. So you can see there's really no concerns for mountain travel there as we look at the rest of the week and what those temperatures are showing you. Okay, we do have that front coming in right now. Look at Astoria. Pressure is rising. Look at Newport. Pressure is rising. Pressure is rising in Portland. So that front is now in the process of moving through the area. And we generally have temperatures holding 50 to 54 from Astoria all the way down into Salem. And notice the winds. The biggest gust I have is Aurora, southwest of 20. So as I mentioned, just not much of any wind with this to speak of. And again, the rain is not really expected to go over a quarter of an inch. We do have an east wind blowing. You folks listening out in the East County, Troutdale east to 22. I don't think that wind gets really any stronger. And eventually overnight will kick more to the south and to the southwest. So again, pretty weak weather system that's moving in. And with that, this is just kind of an abbreviated forecast tonight to get you going through the week. Here's my 7-day. Pretty uneventful week. I mean, tomorrow we mentioned that rain is pretty much through by the 7 o'clock hour. We'll carry just a shower chance in the afternoon. Pretty mild stuff. 47 tonight, 56 in Portland tomorrow. Tuesday's dry. Remember at one point, I was telling you about that low in California and thinking we could at least get several bands of some decent rainfall spinning northward up into Oregon and Washington. It doesn't look like that's going to happen now. So Tuesday's dry. A lot of you will be in the 30s. I've got Portland 40 to 56. Wednesday in the northern flow, nothing to do really with that low, but in the northern branch of the upper flow pattern is a little wave coming through. A few showers. This looks to be a day where I can't even guarantee you there's going to be some rain. If we do have a few showers, we're talking about trace amounts to at most about 5/100ths of an inch. Thursday, we're back to dry. Could be some freezing numbers in the valley Thursday morning, 37 to 56. Friday's dry again. Could be some freezing spots in the valley Friday morning. And then there's a front that comes in Saturday evening into Sunday. So right now, this looks like a dry Saturday morning. Rain chances increase Saturday afternoon. It's raining, maybe much like today, Saturday evening overnight. Then again, this system looks to be about a quarter of an inch of rain at most. So that's not that strong. And then by the time we roll into Sunday, we've got some showers around, but most of that, again, is going to be Saturday overnight. That timing could change, could speed up, could slow down, but that's the timing right now. And really, this is a pretty uneventful week, I meant to say. So far, starting today, for November, PDX 4.29 inches. So let's say we get a quarter of an inch of rain or so today, we'll be over 4.5 inches. Let's say we get about a quarter of an inch of rain. That would put us at maybe 4 3/4 of an inch of rain toward the end of this week. Normally, the entire month of November picks up about 5.5. So certainly our precip totals are slowing down off of that rapid first week that we had, but we're still on target to at least, I think, get over 5 inches and be pretty normal for the month, which is good news. Okay. Hope you have a good upcoming week. I will talk to you soon. For now, I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. My weather site's portlandweather.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will do so, and I'll talk to you soon.